the time of our diet. There is a formula that when you are going for bed or a kind of sedentary position or relaxing, the amount of food you should take should not be more than half of your tummy. What does that mean? That is the formula. Does this mean if you are eating every day 4 chapatis and then you are giving a belching, oh bah, so you should eat 2 chapatis. Generally what happened, our tummy gets increased over the period of time. Okay, and this increase is because of the delta which is there. Every day we eat one bit of it more, one chew of it more every day, and slowly our diet will be very high. When it goes to the corporate parties, then it will be shoot up like anything. So whenever I recommend a weight loss people, I request them, dear friends, first don't eat any food which is free. That is a formula. Whether it is a corporate meal, so please don't eat. And you will find people will immediately within 5 days, they'll go for party. Within 5 days of starting this. And you also decide this. You will find within 5 days you will get immediate, sir, yes, we have kept a party, we have go live, this live, that live, and we have a party now. Okay, the party means no doubt that boozing is not recommended at all unless and until you have huge metabolism. But huge amount of food intake, even once in 15 days, you are performing your yoga, you are performing everything 15 days, and huge amount of food one day. You have put lot of good rangoli and put a glass of water in it, on it. That is what is the feeling you should have. Okay, so very important, and that is the reason you will find that in our ancestral this one, they never used to eat food which is free. They used to eat food which is bhiksha, so that they can go there and whatever bhiksha they get, they used to eat whatever, right? And apart from that, they will never used to eat more than what Gautam Buddha said, 2 palms. More than this food should not be taken. You will say you are speaking about my breakfast, boss, not food. Okay. and that has happened. So amount of food and time of food is very important, very important. Apart from that, when you will actually have very good metabolism, very good food, okay, you will find that time will come, anything and everything you eat, it will get digested. Anything and everything. You take gulab jamun, it will get digested. Your tummy will not increase. But again, your metabolism will actually should have higher metabolism, should have better metabolism. That's very important. One more thing, which is actually after a long time, I come to this conclusion. Control over the food. If you are doing yoga, if you are doing some diet control, if you leave yoga, your control over the food will be gone. Okay. If you continue yoga and food, it is going in a variations, the control will be resumed. So whenever you have a question that my food is now 15 days, my God, these people have come, now customer has come, this has come, now it's all gone wayward, stick to your yoga, and you will find that your hormones will be in such a way that it will provide you an energy and thoughts to bring that food under control. And that is the reason that yoga was actually a kind of lifestyle. It was not a part of any yoga institute. It was like the person born on earth should do yoga. That's it. There is nothing like that. Like you should drink water, you should do yoga. That's it. That was the only thing. In between, it has wiped off. In between, say some centuries, wiped off. Okay. So that is one secret, and you try it. You will definitely ping me one day. Right? No doubt about it. Food, if you eat food at particular time, has a different effect than the food at particularly odd time. Okay. So for example, in Western countries they say, okay, you breakfast like a king, then you meal or your lunch like a prince, and your evening meal or your dinner should be like a pauper. See, it's very simple formula. If you want to lose weight, your every eating should be pauper. Okay. Food has nothing to do the reason for losing a weight. And if you want to get rid of any kind of cancer, very simple formula. No sugar and never have full stomach. Only two formula. No sugar and never have full stomach. Okay. And you will actually get rid of 90% of the things. 90%. It is very well proved that 40% of cancerous cells pick up 40% more sugar than the normal cells. Okay. And cancerous cells, they very clearly indicates that I am a part of body, I should grow. I'm a new part of body. And the DNA, it works in such a way that it will quickly grow than the other normal cells. So a Japan scientist got Nobel Prize. But the crux, if you see, it is a Ekadashi. It's a Chaturthi. Whatever he has put, intermittent fasting, is a simple Chaturthi or Ekadashi what we do in all India. Very simple. What it says that it kills the cancerous cells if you have an intermittent fasting. So you got a Nobel Prize. But it is there already. We have Ekadashi Chaturthi. We have everywhere. Either it will be, if you go to south, there is a Shivas, Vishnus, or if you go to even in other religions also, there are Rosa. There are fastings are there. Because he has put it in a proper way, proper packaging, so he got a Nobel Prize. Okay. Intermittent fasting.